Hey, if you wonder how you can connect the wired jack earphones into your POCO X6 Pro, first of all, you will have to go into the settings on your phone, go into the additional settings and enable the OTG connection. After this, you'll have to buy actually this adapter from USB-C into the headphone jack, then plug your headphones right here, and this USB-C input into your USB-C port on the POCO X6 Pro. So plug it right here, and after this you'll get this notification that you are actually connected with your wired headset. So yeah, that's quite simple. That's how we can do this. This adapter is very cheap. I get it from Amazon for like 50 cents. So that's not expensive. Probably on the AliExpress or any other sites like this, you can get it even cheaper. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.